Owerri Okigwe Road in Owerri, the capital city of the state. Good evening. It's exactly 4 p.m. the first day in the month of November 2021. On your screen is the ever busy Owerri Okigwe Road in Owerri, the capital city of Imo State. For today, activities are very unusual. This is not how this road used to be. Despite the cancellation of the weekly, that's every Monday sit at home, by the indigenous people of Biafra, residents of Owerri, the Imo State capital, have continued to sit at home every Monday. And today, November 1st, 2021, is no difference, as large number of residents of the state decided to sit back homes. We have even seen vehicles flying through this evening because it is already late. If this broadcast has started like 6, 7, 8 hours ago, you would have seen that Owerri was and is a shadow of itself, as large number of people sat back home. No bank operated in the state capital today. All schools were shut, including Imo State University, Abani Ikoku Federal College of Education, Federal Polytechnic Nekede, Federal University of Technology Owerri, secondary school and primary schools. No parents took his or child to school today, owing to the sit-at-home order. Markets are shut. Major streets in Owerri, including Woodrow, Douglas, Ikenebu, Control Post, Akwa, Amakoya, were all deserted. Independent markets like the wood markets, spare parts markets, and other markets were empty today. Over 90% of the residents of the state sat back home. Activities were grounded. Businesses didn't move on, as most traders did not come out today. People are just coming out this evening because it is already late. This is the situation report here. This is how it is in Owerri. On a normal day, you would have seen heavy traffic gridlock on this route, because this is one of the busiest routes in Owerri, the Imo State capital. But from what you're seeing on your screen, you will agree with me that large number of people did not come out for business engagements today. This is a result of the weekly sit-at-home order, despite that it has been cancelled by IPOB. Many people who live in Owerri have continued to obey the order. That is the dilemma. That when will the people of Owerri start coming out for business engagement and activities on Mondays? Nobody has been able to give the answer, as most transport companies in Owerri record little or no patronage on Mondays, as people refuse to travel on Mondays, owing to the incidences that have happened previously on Mondays. Because here in Owerri, like 3-4 times now, travelers have been attacked with vehicles burnt and some killed on Monday mornings. So because of this, people have decided to sit back home on Mondays. There are no business engagement, little or no business engagement. Most independent markets now put it as a law that no shop owner would open his or her shop on Mondays. Street shop owners do not open their shops on Mondays. Private schools do not open their schools on Mondays. Government schools do not see students they will teach on Mondays. Universities do not operate on Mondays, more especially Abani Ikoku Federal College of Education and the Imo State University. Lecturers and students failed to come to school on Mondays. That is the situation report. People hardly come out on Mondays in Owerri. On a normal day, if you are tuned with business engagement activities here, you will agree with me that there would have been hundreds of vehicles flying this route now. But with what you are seeing on this screen, with 1 or 2 vehicles flying, you will agree with me that the sit-at-home order is working perfectly in Owerri. This is about 3 months now. This weekly sit-at-home have been working in Owerri. Most analysts are concerned. Most people are worried that when will Owerri start opening their shops and business outlets on Mondays. The thing has not been answered. Nobody has given a good answer to this question, because by 8th of this month, it will be exactly 3 months. This sit-at-home order commenced in Southeast Nigeria, especially in Owerri, the Imo State capital. Information I have is that in Olu and Okigwe towns areas of Imo, that there was no business engagement at all, that it was even better in Owerri, that Olu was like a ghost town today, that Okigwe was like a ghost town today. This is what is happening in Owerri. This is the situation report. Businesses are shut. People are not going about their businesses. Private business owners shut. Malls are shut. Banks are shut. Independent markets are shut. Schools are shut. Very big business outlets are shut. Like on this road, there are 2 banks, Access and First Bank, but none of them open today. That is to tell you that the sit-at-home order is very much active. This is the situation report. This is live broadcast. There is no 2 ways about it. This is to tell you that activities in Owerri, the Imo State capital, on a Monday morning, the very first day in the month of November 2021, is granted. People are sitting back home. If you go to nearby shops on this street, you will see large scale of people drinking and marrying. If you ask them, they say it is better to sit back home and drink from nearby shops than to go out and face one challenge or the other. From the Okigwe Road in Owerri, the capital city of Imo State, this is Chidebu Bokoma reporting for the Punch newspapers. Bye for now.